Hello my healthy friends, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. I am making some teriyaki chicken. Okay, so I have some chicken breasts here that I've cut up. They are boneless and skinless. Pat them dry, and the first thing that I will do, I'll add a little bit of olive oil on them just so the spices could stick. I have some Old Bay, some onion powder, some garlic powder. You can add whatever spices that you like as well. It's pretty much up to you. Everything for this recipe will be in the description box. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. It is absolutely free. Hit the bell so you can get your notifications whenever I upload a video. I'm adding some arrowroot powder to this because it's going to make it nice and crispy. Mix everything together to make sure that it is well combined. Let's head over to the stovetop and get this going. You don't need a lot of oil. You can use ghee as well. Now let's take our chicken and then add it in. I'm gonna let this cook for about 10 minutes on each side. So I'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, my healthy friends, so this is done. You can make it and serve it just like this and it would be absolutely delicious. But we're gonna take it a step further. Let's go. Okay, my healthy friends, let's go ahead and make our sauce. For that, you will need 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, half of a cup of teriyaki sauce, half cup of soy sauce. I'm using half of a cup of maple syrup. And then you whisk everything together to make sure that it is well combined. Here I have a tablespoon of arrowroot powder, which is going to give it a nice thickening. And I just add water to it, about half of a cup or a little bit more than half of a cup. And then I am just going to mix until it's well combined. Okay? And then we will put this to the side until we are ready for our sauce. As you may see, our pan is completely empty. Now, I will add this. I threw off some of that oil too. Be sure it's on low heat, please. See that? That's how you want it. And now you will just add your chicken back into the pan. Add your cornstarch. That's gonna make it thick, give it a nice thickness. That was arrowroot powder, of course. Cover it up. Okay, my healthy people, let's take a look at our teriyaki chicken. Ready? Let's see. Ooh! Yes! Maxine's Corner. Look at that. See? Nice and thick and absolutely delicious. Okay, my healthy friends, I have some rice. Now you can serve this however you like. And then you will add this deliciousness. Look at that. Yes. Woo! Little bit of roasted sesame seeds. Delicious, yummy, perfect for the entire family. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today, guys. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. I'll see you guys next time in another video, and say it with me, stay healthy.